Ever wondered about the top 8 countries you should have on your bucket list? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many, a tantalizing thought that often sparks dreams of adventure, exploration, and discovery. A bucket list, after all, is more than just a list of places to visit. It's a compilation of experiences to be had, cultures to be explored, and memories to be made. It's a passport to a world of wonder, a ticket to a journey that's uniquely yours. And each country on that list? A chapter in the grand narrative of your life, a story waiting to be written. So today, we're going to delve into 8 extraordinary countries, each one a gem in its own right, each one deserving of a spot on your bucket list. From the icy landscapes of the north to the sun-drenched beaches of the south, we've got it all covered. Let's dive into the list and start our journey around the globe. First on our list is Canada, a country known for its diversity, natural beauty, and welcoming locals. A beacon of safety, Canada's low crime rates and helpful citizens make it an ideal destination for solo female travelers. But safety isn't the only thing this beautiful country has to offer. Imagine the thrill of chasing the northern lights, painting the sky with vibrant hues of green, pink, and purple. Or the awe-inspiring sight of Niagara Falls, where millions of gallons of water cascade down every second. Canada's natural spectacles are nothing short of breathtaking. Yet the country's charm doesn't end with its landscapes. Its cities like Vancouver and Toronto are multicultural areas teeming with global cuisines, diverse festivals, and friendly people. From the French-inspired streets of Quebec to the indigenous heritage of the First Nations, Canada is a treasure trove of unique experiences. Canada offers a safe and fulfilling journey for solo women travelers. Next up is Japan, a beautiful blend of tradition and innovation. Known as the land of the rising sun, Japan is a harmonious fusion of old and new. It's a place where skyscrapers and ancient temples coexist, where traditional tea ceremonies are as much a part of life as cutting-edge technology. Japan's safety record is truly remarkable. Crime rates are incredibly low, making it an excellent destination for solo women travelers. The respect for rules and order is deeply ingrained in Japanese society, providing an atmosphere of security and peace. And then there's the culture. Imagine yourself partaking in an authentic tea ceremony, a ritual that embodies harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. Or perhaps you see yourself amidst a shower of cherry blossoms, a sight that epitomizes the ephemeral beauty of life. Let's not forget the bustling city life of Tokyo, a city that never sleeps. From its neon-lit streets to its quirky themed cafes, Tokyo is a city of endless discovery. For solo women travelers, Japan promises an unforgettable journey. Third on our list is New Zealand, the land of adventure. Imagine hurling yourself from dizzying heights or speeding down roaring rapids. New Zealand, a hotbed for extreme sports, offers these adrenaline-pumping experiences in a safe environment. From bungee jumping in Queenstown to caving in Waitomo, there's an adventure awaiting at every corner. And let's not forget the breathtaking landscapes that serve as a backdrop to your exploits, making each moment picture perfect. New Zealand is a paradise for thrill-seeking solo women travelers. Fourth, we have Portugal, Europe's hidden gem. With safety at its heart, Portugal offers an unrivaled sense of comfort, making it a haven for solo travelers. Its cities are filled with beauty and charm, from Lisbon's historic trams snaking up steep hills to Porto's enchanting riverside district. And let's not forget the cuisine. Portugal's unique gastronomy, from fresh seafood to the famous pastel de nata, is a delight for the taste buds. Portugal offers a charming and safe European experience for solo women travelers. Fifth, we explore Australia, the land down under, a country renowned for its safety, making it a wonderful choice for solo female travelers. The locals are friendly and the urban areas are well lit and secure. You still need to be aware of your surroundings though. Australia's wildlife is truly one of a kind. From the cuddly koalas to the bounding kangaroos, the country brims with unique creatures that are just as curious about you as you are about them. But remember, always observe from a safe distance. The vibrant cities of Sydney and Melbourne await with open arms. Sydney, with its iconic opera house and stunning harbour, offers a mix of urban sophistication and beachside relaxation. Melbourne, on the other hand, is a haven for arts and culture, boasting an array of museums, art galleries, and music venues. Whether you're a city slicker, a nature enthusiast, or a bit of both, Australia caters to every whim and fancy. Australia offers a diverse and safe journey for solo women travelers. Sixth on our list is Norway, the land of fjords and northern lights. Embracing the Arctic Circle, this Nordic jewel is not just a visual spectacle, but also one of the safest countries in the world. Its low crime rate and friendly people make it an excellent choice for solo women travelers. Apart from safety, Norway's stunning natural beauty is something that makes it a must-visit. Imagine cruising through the dramatic fjords, hiking the scenic trails, or even catching a glimpse of the mesmerizing northern lights. It's a realm of unparalleled beauty that's bound to leave you breathless. But the experiences don't end there. Have you ever dreamt of dog sledding? Norway is one of the few places where you can experience this unique adventure. It's an exhilarating ride that you wouldn't want to miss. For solo women travelers, Norway promises a magical journey. 7th, we have Costa Rica, the eco-paradise. A place where the rhythm of life is determined by the ebb and flow of the tides and the changing of the seasons. This country, nestled between the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, is ranked as one of the safest countries in Central America. It's a place where solo women travelers can feel secure while they explore the lush greenery and diverse wildlife. Costa Rica is home to more than 5% of the world's biodiversity, despite its small size. From howler monkeys swinging through the rainforest canopies to sea turtles nesting along the coastline, each day offers a new discovery. One of the most thrilling experiences here is zip-lining through the rainforest, witnessing the breathtaking beauty from a bird's-eye view. Imagine soaring above the treetops with the wind in your hair and the forest beneath you. Costa Rica offers a safe and eco-friendly journey for solo women travelers. Finally, we conclude our list with the 8th country, your own. Yes, that's right. Sometimes the most enriching journeys take place right on our doorstep. Every country holds its own unique charm, its own captivating stories. So why not take the time to explore yours? Discover the beauty and culture that lay within your borders, the hidden gems that await your discovery. Remember, though, that while the thrill of adventure can be intoxicating, safety should never be compromised. Always stay aware of your surroundings, respect local traditions, and keep your belongings secure. Traveling is an extraordinary experience, but it's not just about the destinations. It's about the journey, the people you meet, the memories you make. So whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a budding explorer, make sure to savor every moment. Hope you found this list inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel ideas and safe journey tips. Until next time, keep exploring and stay safe.